If your engine still breathes through a restrictive factory airbox, you're leaving horsepower on the table. Today we fix that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Naim, and this is my very first upload. A cold air intake replaces your factory airbox with a system that pulls in cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay.
Cooler, denser air means better combustion, which can mean more horsepower, a deeper intake sound, and improved throttle response.
Here's everything you'll need: a socket set, a flathead and Phillips screwdriver, pliers, and your new cold air intake kit. Before touching anything, make sure the engine is completely cool and disconnect the negative battery terminal. With safety squared away, let's pop the hood and get a clear view of the stock intake setup. Right here is your factory airbox, connected by a plastic intake tube running straight to the throttle body. Loosen the hose clamps with a screwdriver, then gently twist and pull the intake tube free. Next, unplug the mass airflow sensor connector. Just squeeze the tab and pull it straight out. Unbolt the airbox mounting screws. Lift it out and set the factory parts aside. You won't need them anymore. Now let's unbox our new cold air intake kit and lay out every component before we start installing. Take a second to match every part against the instructions: the intake pipe, filter, coupler, and heat shield. Bolt the new mounting bracket into the factory holes to give the intake pipe a solid, vibration-free base. Slide the new aluminum intake tube into place and loosely fit the couplers so you can still adjust the angle. Slide the new aluminum reattach the MAF sensor to the new tube and plug the wiring connector back in until it clicks. Slide the high-flow conical air filter onto the open end of the pipe and tighten the clamp securely. Double-check every clamp is tight. Reconnect the battery terminal and make sure no tools are left in the bay. Start the engine. Listen to that deeper intake growl. And that's it. You just installed your first cold air intake. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.